Hi, welcome to the Pro Plus experience here. So I'd like to thank you for purchasing your Pro Plus. Now I'm going to show you how exactly you change the different looks according to the light. You have the rugged version here. You'll see that in the pre-made packs. We're going to start here with the M3 Allen here. We are going to remove all the top Allens around the bezel. Before we do that though, let's get this little trim off. We're going to grab our trusty tool here, and all we are going to do is pry the top there, right at the top there, and it will release. So you can see that's just released. We've got our ring off. Now we can tackle the bezel itself. So again, just the Allens with the M3. We advise probably to stay away from power tools, as you do have a tendency to strip the bolts. Okay, so now that bezel should come off and you should be there with a bare light. So when you have the bare light here, you have our three options of bezel types. You have the rugged bezel that we like to call, and that's got the trademark kind of X kind of look to it. You have our modern bezel here, which keeps it nice, cool and sleek. And we have our cage, which is kind of a nod to the old classics with the wire cages over the top of the old light. Bear in mind that all these bezels come with their own Allen head screws. Please use the ones that are provided with the bezels themselves. What you will see is, if you look at the bottom of the light, you got these two tabs and you got one at the top. Now, just match that to the bezel that you're placing on. We've got two tabs at the bottom down there to match those two there. And we will put that across. So that should go over the top like that, and you can grab your Allen and secure it in place. So now with our bezel on, with the modern specifically, we have the option of two different styles of rings. You'll get this nice smooth looking ring, nice little take on, you know, a lot of modern cars, nice sleek approach. And then we have something that's got the similar styling as that, as a nice sleek look, but you've got the extra features to get a bit more aggressiveness in the light. So we call that kind of like our modern rugged look. I'll show you both options onto the light themselves. And again, you use the two locating points on the bottom of the light to match with the ring itself. So once I've found that, we simply press flip, and there we have it. So now that ring is there, now secured. So now we get to the shoulders. So you can grab your tool again, and there is a little slot at the bottom of each shoulder. You grab that bottom edge and you kind of pry it, and it'll pop. So that should just pop off like that. So there's two types of shoulder trims there. You have the short one here, that'll slot right there, and it just exposes the bolts there, so you can see. Otherwise, we also have a full length option, which will cover up all the bolts and hide them all there. So that's the full length shoulders fully snapped in. That's our modern rugged kind of fascia there going on. Now I'll also show you how to take it off. You will have these corner recesses here, and that's where you will just lever them out. So that's all popped off there. It's quite easy to change in and out. And we'll put one of the smoother ones on. It's pretty much the reverse. So just pop it all in, and that's how you swap the rings on a modern bezel. If you were to use the cage bezel here, obviously there is no color accents for the cage. It's all pretty much bolt on, and you leave it as is with a nice, you know, aggressive look. If you want to go back to the rugged style, it's simply the reverse of what we've just done. So again, tool to pop out the ring so we can get access to the Allen key bolts. Grab your M3 again. Find the same alignment tabs. So once that's all done up, we can grab one of our rings. So we'll swap it out for this blue one here for the rugged fascia, and again, tabs. Simply clicks over the top, and there we have it. That's how we personalize our Type X Pro Plus. Now you can always head onto our website and have a play with our customizer, which will give you a full rundown of all the options available. So it's not limited to the stuff that's on the table. But if you do have any other questions, you can always contact our customer support team. For any further inquiries, head onto the website and make sure you always follow on all our socials.